Hey guys, Chase with Sherpa Equipment Company. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a factory rack off a 5th gen 4Runner. So to start, there are a couple different variations of the factory roof rack on a 5th gen. This one has the plastic caps that'll pop off, but all of them will have the same bolt configuration, and that process to remove those will all be the same. So first things first, we're going to take a plastic pry tool and we're going to remove these caps. There's 4 of them. And to do that, you're just going to work under the edge of the plastic in between the rubber edge trim and the plastic and pry back. You'll hear a popping, and then this should just pop right off. We're going to do this on all 4 corners. One thing to note, you do want to be careful when popping these tabs. If you ever plan on reusing the rack or the caps, if you break the tabs off, they won't mount back together very nicely. So just be careful, and you shouldn't have to put that much pressure behind your prying. Now that we got the end caps off, we're going to grab a 12 mil socket and we're going to use an impact, and we're just going to be careful in removing these. We don't want to spin the plate that's inside the roof, and we'll go up and start removing the bolts from the roof. So when removing these bolts, it's important to alternate between bolts until they're fully out. You don't want to spin one all the way out, because if you do that, the other one, when you're loosening it, could spin the track inside the roof. That'll make installation hard. Now we're going to do this on all 4 corners. Okay, now that we have all the bolts out of all 4 corners, you can just simply go ahead, pop your stock rack up and remove. So that's how you remove your factory roof rack off your 5th gen 4Runner. Now you're ready to install a Crestone roof rack from Sherpa Equipment Company.